Good morning, children. Welcome you all to online classes. In last class, we have completed B10, 11. Now we have completed B13. Read aloud these expressions and notice when we use them. When you pass in front of someone or when you want to get someone's attention, what we will say that time? Excuse me. Next, when you did not hear someone properly and you want him to say it again. When you have made a mistake or perhaps accidentally bumped into someone, we will say, I beg your pardon. When someone has given you something or done some kind deed to you, what we will say? Thank you very much. When someone thanks you for doing something for him, what we will say? It's a pleasure. You are welcome. Not at all. These are some expression words. So here are the blanks. You have to complete this according to the conversation. Students, dash. Did you drop this money? What we have to write there? Excuse me. Did you drop this money? Lady. Again, dash. She didn't listen. She is telling, I beg your pardon. Students, I said, did you drop this money? Lady, drop what? Students, I have found this money. Is it yours? Lady, I am a little deep. I could not hear what you said. Some money. Yes, that's mine. I must have dropped it. Student, please take the packet. Lady, oh, thank you very much. What we have to write here? Thank you very much. Students, it's my pleasure. Now we will start B14. Look at the words given in the box and complete the following word verbs by matching the names of the characters with the qualities they show through their behaviors in the story. Some words may go in both the verbs. Some words may not be used at all. Here are given box and lot of words are given here. Unhappy, proud, loud, naughty, haughty, scared, angry, sorrowful, emotional, irrational, hearts, simple. Next, hearts, simple, weak, hesitant and impolite. Here given the boxes. We have to make a web chart. Swami. What are the quality of Swamis? You have to choose from these boxes and you have to write. Money. You have to choose again their qualities and write in these boxes. Swami. Choose their qualities. Angry, naughty, unhappy, loud, proud, haughty, impolite and irrational. Again, next character, money. And what is his qualities? Scared, sorrowful, simple, naughty, weak, hurts, hesitant and emotional. Next, here given some power of words. You have to make a chart. And what is the title? Power of words. You have to make a chart and write their title, Power of Words. And here's given the some words. That's great. Well done. May I help you? Good morning. How are you? Excuse me. Good afternoon. Well done. Like this, you have to write in your chart paper and make a power of words. That is your home assignment. Thank you. Good morning, children. All you have some of your favorite things like singing, dancing, going to school, etc. Today we will read a beautiful poem named My Favorite Things, written by Maria, in which she is telling about her favorite things. Let's recite the poem. एक minute. My favorite things. Raindrops on roses and whiskers on kittens, white copper kettles and warm woolen mittens, brown paper packages tied up with strings. These are a few of my favorite things. Raindrops on roses and whiskers on kittens. गुलाब के ऊपर जो बारिश की बूंदें होती हैं और छोटी बिल्ली के बच्चों की जो मूछें होती है वो मुझे बहुत पसंद है. वाइट कॉपर केटल्स एंड वार्म वूलन मिटन्स, चांदी की चायदानी एंड गर्म दास्ताने मुझे पसंद है. ब्राउन पेपर और स्ट्रिंग से बंधे हुए गिफ्ट, जो स्ट्रिंग मीन्स धागे, धागे से बंधे हुए गिफ्ट, ये चीज़ें मुझे बहुत पसंद है. क्रीम कलर्ड पोनीज एंड क्रिस्प एप्पल स्ट्रडल्स, डोर बेल्स एंड स्ली बेल एंड स्ट्रीजन्स विथ नूडल्स, वाइल्ड गीज that fly with a moon on their wings. These are a few of my favorite things. क्रीम कलर खच्चर और कुरकुरे एप्पल से बने स्ट्रडल, स्ट्रडल मीन्स मालपुए, डोर बेल्स एंड स्ली बेल्स, दरवाजे की घंटियाँ, और स्ली बेल मीन्स बर्फ में बिना पहिए की चलने वाली गाड़ियों की जो घंटियाँ होती हैं उन्हें बोलते हैं. एंड स्नीटजेल नूडल्स, कटलेट नूडल्स जिसके अंदर मीट हो, मुझे बहुत पसंद है. गर्ल्स इन वाइट रिबन्स एंड ब्लू सैटिन sashes, स्नो flakes that say on my nose and eyelashes, silver white winters that melt into springs. These are a few of my favorite things. जो गर्ल्स सफ़ेद रिबन से बाल बांधती हैं और रेशमी कपड़ों की बेल्ट बांधती हैं, बर्फ के कण जो मेरे नाक और पलकों पर जमे हैं, चांद सी सुनहरी सर्दियों के बाद जब बसंत आता है तो ये सब मुझे बहुत पसंद है. When the dog bites, when the bee stings, when I am feeling sad, I just remember my favorite things and then I don't feel so bad. by Maria. जब कभी मुझे डॉग काटता है, या जब कभी मधुमक्खी डंक मारती है, या जब मैं दुखी होती हूँ, तब मैं अपनी इन सारी पसंद की चीज़ों को याद करती हूँ और मेरी उदासी दूर हो जाती है. सो ऑल ऑफ यू राइट दिस पोएम इन योर notebook and learn also. Thank you.